Hello everybody, welcome back to Spot Boy. I am Sangya and as you know, I am in the midst of watching Anna by Shashank Urapalkar. Now interestingly, this movie has been written, directed and of course he's starring in it himself as well. Now this movie is a biopic of a social activist Anna Hazare, his journey and his intolerance for injustice. Now from early days itself, like from childhood, Kishan Hazare was showing signs of being a revolutionary and also great leadership qualities. Now he joined the army despite his short stature and worked really hard and served the nation. Now his thoughts in his journey were inspired by Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi. Now he was moved by the pain of a regular man and hence from the training that he received from army and his great thoughts, he decided to serve the public, the nation. And is this uncommon story of a common man worth your time or not? Let me finish the film, come back with the full review and let you know. Welcome back to Spot Boy. I am Sangya and I just got done watching the last film of the day, which is Anna by Shashank Urapalkar. Now he's obviously written, directed and acted himself in the film as well. This movie is a biopic of Anna Hazare. He's a social activist, his journey and his intolerance for injustice. Now as I told you in the mid-review, since childhood he started showing signs of a revolutionary with good leadership qualities. He joined the army despite his short stature, worked really hard, served the nation. His thoughts were obviously influenced by Mahatma Gandhi, which you will see throughout the film as well, and Swami Vivekananda. He would get very easily moved by the pain of people. Hence, he decided to quit the army and serve the people with his skills that he had attained in the army. Also, he had great thoughts as a leader, so he was able to do that. Now, obviously, with hurdles, he faced a few hurdles and obstacles, but he was able to make small changes and started leading the people in a bigger manner. Now he obviously tried to make grassroots changes which had a bigger impact, and then Kishan Hazare became Anna Hazare. Now his struggle and fight for people's rights and serving the people is still on. At the age of 79, he's passionately still serving the nation and the public. Now, when I talk about acting, the cast has done an incredible job. Casting has been perfect, and the people, the characters have just been perfect. Now the characterization is also extremely detailed. Now if I have to talk about the film starts with Anna doing the Anshan for the Jan Lokpal bill. Then it jumps into flashback and comes back to the present time. The film has been treated in an extremely realistic manner. So as a biopic, I would like to give this 3 stars and suggest that you must go watch the film. It's a good journey and you should learn about one of the leaders of our country. Now about the other 2 films that I watched this weekend, Fudu is an entertainer dealing with a serious yet funny topic. Then if I talk about Saatu Chakki, which I watched last night, I would say that it's a fun film if you are okay with foul language and all of that, and it's also based in the backdrop of Old Delhi. It's a good experience. You will experience something new. So this is my take on all the 3 films for this weekend. Now enjoy this weekend as you have 3 movies to watch. I will catch you in the next weekend.